Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a pass glitch effect in CapCut apps. So select your videos or photos with your face that you want to edit. And for example, going to open my project. So to make a face glitch, just add the body effect. Select body effect, and in trending you can find a face glitch. Tap on it and tap on it again to adjust the atmosphere, the intensity, color, speed. Yeah, that's it. Click check mark and see for the final result. You'll have a video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.